folks, what is happening? What is going on? Welcome back to another video. Yes, we have just spent today, it is Friday, doing a little bit of Christmas shopping, getting ready for the festive season. The background is blurred for a reason. We have some Christmas presents. We stopped off at the most important shop, the liquor store. And yeah, we are adults. So most Christmases we get advent calendars. Kinder Egg for myself, because it is superior chocolate. And today, because we're also adults, we may have bought Lindt chocolate advent calendars and caught up. So yeah, we've just been doing Christmas stuff. The Christmas decorations potentially will go up Sunday. However, we have a Christmas party Saturday, so Sunday might not be terribly productive. We also had our first Christmas party last night, which is why I attempted to just have a nap. On with the video. We were actually going to move snow yesterday off the roof and tinker around, but Matt and I were still in the pantry with the pantry light on, and the breaker blew. Turned it back on and the breaker kept blowing, which was weird because the pantry light was the only thing that was on. So we went, I was gonna say we, but we didn't. Matt went into the loft in the garage access to have a look and see if any of Jerry's friends or family have been nibbling on the wires. It doesn't look like so. So we changed the breaker. It could just be a bad breaker, but that is something we need to kind of keep an eye on. It's something when we do the garage cabinets and reno before we do the kitchen cabinets, we are potentially going to have to rewire the garage. Today, I've done an extremely quick student style clean of the house. Bob's going around, and we're going to move some snow off the roof and move some snow. And then we have our second Christmas party of the week, so try not to get drunk. Mate.
Yeah, you're outside now.
Yeah. Look at this guy. Bloody fly tipping! Fly tipping. Unbelievable. We're actually not. We're just getting rid of our steam mop in the scrap pile at work. So, that was a bit of excitement. Just started working out. Matt's just working on his tractor. Matt walked past, it looked like the truck was on fire, and yeah, she was on fire, that's for sure. So, a bit of excitement in the Rich Den household.
Hold on.
the Jeep hasn't been moved in a while. My poor baby. Hence the snow. We started today by moving snow, just because Matt's truck needed to get towed, so that's gone. They're either gonna fix it or write it off, we don't know. And we're ending the day with moving snow and starting my truck and just getting things sorted. Obviously, we are getting back to our regular scheduled programming. Matt and I are still both at work. Christmas is coming, and we've just been drinking on the weekends. So yeah, short video, I know. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.
And this is my world.